Okay, so this is a redo on number 11. There'll be two videos here, and I think I'll have the secondary video somewhere here. So one of the neat things in the graphing calculator with decimals is that as long as you isolate one of the variables, you're good to go. We usually teaches that you need to solve both for y, and like for example here we already solved for y. The only thing I gotta do is solve for y in this one, so I'm gonna do both. And so you're going to see me work it out two different ways. I'm going to solve for y, and I'm going to solve for x. And some of these, in your tests, sometimes it's going to be solved for x. And so let's do that. So this guy's ready to go in the calculator, but not this guy. So over here, you have the traditional move that we do, where we will, let's go and reset that. We will solve for y. And I bring the 3x over. Minus the 3x. Don't add these guys up because one is the x, one doesn't. Then we got negative 5y equals to negative 3x plus 12. Ask your teacher why the x goes first. I switch my signs and divide everything by 5. And so y equals 3/5 x minus 12 over 5. Now plug that into the calculator along with this guy, and I see that I look for the intersection. I can also do this. I have 3x minus 5y equals 12. I can add the 5y instead, all right? And you have 3x equals to 5y plus 12. Then divide everything by 3. And x equals to 5 over 3y plus 4. I can put this in just the way it looks, and this in just the way it looks, and it should work it out for me. So let's go ahead and do this. And let's get the calculator out. And over here, I'm going to put the y equals, just so I can just do it just the way it has it here. I think it's negative 6x plus 2. Negative 6x plus 2. That's this one in the bottom. Over here, it's already solved for y. And it's 5 over 3y plus 4. But I have to put the x equals to. X equals to 5 divided by 3 y plus 4, sorry. And it still graphs it for me. So there's my solution, 2/3 negative 2. And it's asking for what? 2/3, what is the x, right? That was my x value was 2/3. And that's my answer. What is the x? 2/3. And that's it. So kind of neat. Now if I was had this thing solved for y, it would have been, let's see here, that's still that negative 6 plus 2. This would have been, let me take a look at over here. Let's see if it lets me do it. 3x minus 5y equals 12. 3x minus 5y. So that'd be, I could do it like this. I could go y equals, then that parentheses 12 minus 3x. Another way to do everything, by the way. And I think I had this in the original video. Divided by the 5. And where they intersect. I don't have it the same way. Let me see what I did wrong. Negative 6x plus 2. The minus 3x. Oh, because it's negative. You see? I already forgot that it was negative. So all these signs switch. That becomes a negative. That becomes a plus. And there's my answer again. There's my 2/3 and my negative 2. I forgot about that. I thought it was 3x plus 5. It's 3x minus 5. And there it is. Same answer we got earlier. I'll now type it in again over here. Solved for x. And it was, again, I can do just a parentheses. Well, y equals. The x equals. Yeah, x equals the parentheses 12 minus, actually plus, because it was a negative 5y. Plus 5y. Close it. Divide everything by that 3. And it was backwards. And notice that the line line just drops to purple. It's still the same intersection. All right, if I get rid of this guy. There it is again there. So it gets same answer. You can either solve for y or solve for x. Calculator will let you do both. And there you go. Easy stuff. So it's up to you. Ask your teacher to walk you through it. But you can solve for y or solve for x.